All right, so in this video, I'll be showing us how we can generate our book cover using artificial intelligence, right? Because I've come to realize that despite how good your book is, if you have a very poor cover design for your work, it will be very challenging for you to attract the attention of your customers and then possibly make sales. So this video is going to be a comprehensive video on how we can get started with that. So all you need is this is a website and Canva, right? You need a website and a Canva Pro, right? And in my videos, I'll be showing us how to get Canva Pro. For you to get a Canva Pro, all you just have to do is to go to this website called bingotingo.com. And then when you get to bingotingo.com, you scroll down to a section where it says how to get Canva, so how to get Canva. So you click on this, and when you click on it, it will open up, and then you give it time to load for 30 seconds. For 1 minute. So as soon as this is the last, it get to the last seconds or whatever, you click on download. It will take you to, if there is a free Canva Pro, it will automatically load up to your Canva. So it's a simple process. If you don't get it, you can check through my video, and then you definitely see how to generate your cover design. You see how to get bingo tingo and all of that. Yeah. So that said, for you to be able to generate um cover design using artificial intelligence, there is this website, there is this AI website that you can use. So the name of that website is called Ideogram. So when you go to Ideogram, you'll be able to generate images, and not just images, you'll be able to generate cover design, or you get inspiration for the cover of the book that you are working on. Yeah, let me put it that way. So Ideogram AI. So let me open this Ideogram AI. So when you open this Ideogram AI, you see other works that people have done. So you log in using your Google account. So I have a Google account. I will do that here. So let me see. Okay, yeah. So you click on download for Bingo Tingo, and then it will open this up. So you click on get here. So when you click on get here, if there is an available account, you can automatically join. So I've already joined this. So you see it. So perfect. So I have a Canva Pro now that I can use. And as soon as this one expires, still follow the same process again and join another Canva Pro so that you can have the pro features of Canva to do high level editing and all of that. Yeah. So that's that. So let me go to Ideogram now. Ideogram AI. Where is it? All right. So here is it. So I'm in now. I've used my Google account to log in. So you can see what other persons are using prompts to design. So you can scroll through, possibly you get inspiration and then see prompts that people are using and all of that. But in case you don't see, so that I don't end up making this video to be too lengthy, you go to your Amazon store, copy the title of the book you're working on. Let me just go straight to my Amazon website so that I can copy the book title. So here's the book that I'm working on. So I copy this book, and then I'll go back to the ideogram, or let me go to my notepad and then paste this. So I'll say create a book cover, create a book cover, or create an elegant book cover design for my book with the title. You put the title of your book in quotation. You understand? You put it in quotation mark. This is the title. Then the subtitle. Let's say with the title this, and subtitle below, just below the title, just below the book title. the book title, or let me say, and subtitle. Yeah, and subtitle. I'll also put a subtitle in quotation mark, and then I'll say just below the title, and the author name, position, and the author name position at the bottom of the page. Yeah, let me put it that way. Let the let the ambience, or let the background, yeah, let me say, let the background of the design shows a herbal, let me say, herbal remedy feel, herbal remedy feelings. Yeah, let me put it that way. And okay, let me just leave it this way first. You know what I'm doing. So let's go back to our AI now. Let me just, because at the end of the day, that is the elementary prompt that I want to use. So from the first generation, or from the first creation, I will be able to get inspiration to modify that prompt. So let me put it this way. So, and then I'll come to aspect ratio. I will use 10 by, as you are moving, you will see the stuff. So let me use 10 by 6, and then I'll click on generate. Okay, so it will generate 4 different images for you that represent what you have prompted it to do. So from that creation, you'll be able to, because the AI will even modify the prompt for you. You understand it, to modify the prompt. So from that modification, you can now add your own um, options to it to make it have that perfect. So you see the suggestions, the suggested design for you. So you see the lost, and when you do this, be very careful, because sometimes there will be mistake in the spelling. But if there is no mistake, you are good to go. So you say the lost book of natural remedies. Perfect. So here's a section for the subtitle. The subtitle is not well written, you see. So these are stuff that you now have to edit. This other one said the lost show, so you wrote a lot of rubbish here, and you can't really say, but you will now get inspiration to know exactly how you should arrange your own book cover design. So this one says what? The lost book, natural remedies. There is no off. This section for the subtitle and all of that is messed up. You see this one. So this one said the lost book of natural remedies. Perfect. I love this. So without wasting much time, I will just pick this up and then go to Canva and edit it to my taste. So the lost book of natural remedy, the spellings here is okay. So I will just click on download. I will download this. Then let me even read the subtitle to see whether it came out well. Discover ancient herbal healing with 200 plus. So there was mistake here. So this one I can easily edit it using Canva. So have I downloaded it? Let me check. Download. All right. Okay, so I think I have it downloaded. So I will now, let me drag it to let me go back to the ideogram. Can I drag this image? No. All right, so I have this now. So let me go to create design. So on the create design custom, remember your ebook cover is always 652 by 1000 pixels. So I set this up, create design. It opened up like this. All I just have to do is to go to my upload, and then I will upload that image. So here's the image, I upload it. So I have it uploaded, and then I add it up, and I'll come here. I can do what, set as background. So now that I have this image here, you can click on what, edit. So you click on edit, So when you click on edit, you can grab this text. So you come to this place, say what, grab text. Without Canva Pro, you can't do it. I told us earlier to do what, to have Canva Pro added, and I'll show you how to add Canva Pro, right? So you click on grab text. So when you click on grab text, if you say grab all text, it will grab all the text that are here. But I don't want to grab all the text since this one is correct, it's well positioned the way I want it to be. So I'll just click on, I will instead of using all text, I will click on click. So I will click on this one because this is just the one I want to grab. So I will click grab so that it doesn't affect this upper one. The reason why we are grabbing text is because all of this thing came out as an image. So we are grabbing this text so that we'll be able to edit it, right? So now that I've grabbed the text, I will now go back to my notepad and copy just the subtitle since the subtitle didn't come out, the way I wanted it to be. So I copy the subtitle out and then I'll come here and just hit paste. So I have my subtitle pasted here and then I will adjust it to my paste, right? Can increase the font size. Perfect. So I have it. So the next thing, you can see that the author name is not here, right? So I can duplicate this. I can duplicate this so that I will have the author name added as well. So I want the author name to be above, right? So come over here. So the author name is Deborah T. Evelina. Deborah T. Evelina. Evelina. Deborah T. Evelina. So you have this. So I'll click on this so that, yeah, all of them is in capital letter. Let me adjust this, take it to the middle, and then I'll drag it, centralize it. Then I'll come to spacing because I want it to have space. Sorry, not this. All right. Yeah, I want it to be 1, so no problem. So the later spacing, so I will space it this way, but I'll drag it this way so that it's spread out to my satisfaction. Yeah, so as a matter of fact, my ebook cover is ready. I don't need to do any other thing. So if you are not a good graphic designer, it will be very difficult for you to be able to conceptualize this idea. You understand? But with this AI, you have a perfect book cover design, and with just a little editing, everything is set. So I just download this. My ebook cover design is ready. So I have it. So I'm good to go. I just click on download. And always remember that your ebook cover, you download it in JPG format, not in PNG format. Then you hit what? Download. And that's that. You have your ebook cover ready. So you open it up and you can change the name to what? Ebook cover. Ebook cover. So that's the ebook cover. So the ebook cover design is ready. Very simple. So with that ebook cover now, you can easily do for that of the paperback and the hardcover, right? It's simple. So for you to get that for the paperback, all you just have to do, I already told us how to get the dimensions for our paperback cover design. So for you to get the dimension, you go to KDP cover calculator, KDP cover calculator, right? So you click open this up and then you come over here. What is the binding type? So we are working on paperback now. So you select paperback, interior type, black and white, select paper type, white paper, reading direction left to right, measurement units, inches, trim size. I always use 8.5 by 11 inches, the number of page count. So depending on the number of page count you have, if it is 120 or depending on the number, you just set it up and then you click on calculate dimension. So when we open this up, all you just have to do is to copy this full cover size, copy this is 11.5 and then we have 17.7 inches and 11.25. So you come back to your Canva design and then you click on create design. custom design. You change this from pixels to inches. So the width is what? 11.7, and then the height is 11.25. So you click on what? Create new design. When you click on create new design, you have your Canva now ready. So all you just have to do is to, you know, add everything that you want. So if you want to know how to create your cover design, just go back to this video. I already created a video on that, how to create your paper back cover and all of that. So the concept is the same for both paperback and the hardcover. So that is how to use AI to design the paperback cover of your book, and sorry, your ebook cover, your paperback, and all of that. So you can use this to get inspiration, and it becomes easy for you to design professional ebook cover or professional book cover for your work. Yeah, so it's as simple as that. Thank you, and see you in the next video.